Hi Cavalier family, I want to share with you another classic cocktail. Under normal circumstances, we would all be watching the Kentucky Derby this weekend. Unfortunately, that's not the case, but that doesn't mean that you can't enjoy a mint julep along with me. In order to create this drink, you will need mint, simple syrup, bourbon, crushed ice, and bitters for garnish. We'll start by infusing the mint into some simple syrup. You'll take about 6 mint leaves, and in order to infuse this, you don't have to muddle it. It's actually going to destroy the integrity of the mint leaf and make it bitter. So in order to release these aromas, you will simply take them in hand and clap. That should do just enough to bruise it and release the oil. Then we will add 1/4 ounce of simple syrup into our glass. Next, we'll add the bourbon. Of course, only Kentucky bourbon will do. We want 2 ounces, so a shot glass filled 2/3 up once and twice. And then we will top with crushed ice. This is a drink meant for sipping, and it will evolve as the ice melts. I'm using an ice cream scoop to get my ice into the glass, and we want to fill it up tall. Once you have a nice healthy portion of ice, we will stir. I'm going to use a chopstick. Normally, or traditionally, this would be served in a mint julep cup. I don't have any of those. You could use a copper mug, like for Moscow mules, an old-fashioned glass, or a highball. Once you've got it nice and chilled, you'll garnish with a sprig of mint and also a dash of bitters. Though we won't be celebrating at Churchill Downs this weekend, I'm sure you'll find some way to celebrate in style. Cheers, y'all.